Are you broke just because you spent a lot of money on duct tape? Well, I have the solution for you! You can use duct tape to hold your money. What was that? Yes, it's true. So let's make a duct tape wallet. What you need for this is as many colors of duct tape as you want, or designs or whatever. Come back here, little duct tape. You're gonna be safe with me. You'll also need a ruler. If you are broke and don't have enough money for a ruler, then just eyeball it. Let's go. First, take your ruler and measure out, cut off 4 8-inch strips. Now layer one piece on top of the other, but make sure to overlap it just a little bit. So now you should have one side that's the pattern and one side that's sticky. Fold that in half. And this is what it should look like. You should not have this sticky side. Cut. Even. Okay! So now you should have a duct tape sheet that looks like this. Now cut 4 more 8-inch strips and stack them together exactly like this with your other color of duct tape, or the same duct tape if you want it to be the same color, I guess. Now take these and put them side by side. Now take one of your colors and you want to lay it down and put the tape in the center of your thingy so that it looks like this. It's just one whole flappy thingy. Now take this and fold it over. Now take a piece of duct tape, stick it onto the side so that when you fold it over, it looks like that. Cut off the extra. Do the same to the other side with your other color of tape. Now you have your basic bill pouch. So that was my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!